So I put a new shift servo in my loader, so it's really short, and the reason I did it is because I was having issues the way they have it set up with this one servo doing the diff locks and the transmission. I didn't like that. You can't lock your diffs in high, just low only. So I put this micro servo in that'll do my 2-speed shift. I do not have my diff locks hooked up yet. I think I'm going to get another one of these servos and use it because it's pretty crowded in the compartment with all the electronics to put the full-size servo. So I think I'm going to try another micro servo like that to do my front and rear diff locks. But that is a new transmission. I thought the other one got messed up, so I bought a new one. And as it turns out, it appears that there is nothing wrong with this one. So I have a spare 2-speed transmission for my front end loader, and right now I'm having troubles with my speaker. It sounds like it's shorting out on the sound, so I'm trying to figure that out.